walking towards the Zocalo, and I'm going to start on this street corner, Mina and Miguel Cabrera. We're going to walk down to the Zocalo. It's starting to rain, so I might have to cut this video off and finish it later. With mezcal. Well, we're in Oaxaca, which is popular for its mezcal, which is not tequila. Don't call it tequila. They don't like that. There's your mezcal store. There's a worker. And this section of town has a lot of clothes for sale. Some bit of jewelry there. So a lot of clothing stores. We'll just go a little kind of quickly past here. And here's a menu for, look at that for a second. Eggs, beans. It's like a nice place. Casa Gara. Oh, it's a hotel, boutique gallery, and I guess also a restaurant. What she had here. Oh, no gracias. That's some more mezcal. Sometimes they have samples. They had mezcal crema the other day, like a cream mezcal. Tastes kind of like Bailey's Irish cream. It was different. Okay, well, it's starting to rain now, so let's go a little faster here. There's some food choices. Oh, now we're at, see this? Mercado 20 Noviembre. 20 de Noviembre market. I'm not going to go in there. I know I'll do that some other time, but here's the one of the entrances to it, and it's big, huge. Lots of food, clothes. Here's some public bathrooms. Cost you 5 pesos, which is like 35 cents or so. Well, that's kind of fun, an old scale. I wonder if it still takes coins. Huh. There's some umbrellas, which you need umbrellas for sun and shade here because it's hot and it rains. So, and these aprons, a lot of people wear the aprons. A lot of the ladies. It's like a very, oh yeah, I've been in here before. I bought some, I think I bought some lipstick in there. And here you can make copies and access the internet. Don't have it at home. Here's some hair. Okay, you get some hair. Okay, different colors. Now we have cell phones here. I really do need to get one of these. Oh, tablet covers too. There's your cell phone covers. More in there.
Botanero, palitas, separadores, amiga.
No gracias. Son muy bonito. I just love those things, but I don't buy them because I don't need them. Oh, I want to buy every one of them. Okay, now this.
5 servilletas por 100 pesos.
No gracias. This is your chocolate store. I wish I could walk through, but it's too crowded. But I'll have a video of a chocolate store later. Here's their truck. Can't read it now, but it's Mayordomo, kind of like mayor and domo, but you pronounce it like Cinco de Mayo, so Mayordomo. I had to practice that a long time before I could say it quickly. Okay, and then I'm just going to show you a quick look down here. This is a big market area, but we're not going down there right now. We'll do that later. Let's see what's in this truck. We got bread. And when I first started coming here about 9 years ago, there was one chocolate store, and now there is a chain. They're everywhere. This is another entrance to the 20 de Noviembre market. There's a lot in there. You've got butchers have their food in there. You've got food that's cooked. Clothes, toys, little jewelry shop. You know, these really aren't that expensive. Everyone needs a backpack, huh? Here's some more jewelry. I was looking at this earlier, and they had the prices, and they're really not that much. So let me take get a close up here. Maybe you can get a. I like the yin and yang. Those look funny. Those are about $4 or so. Ooh, that bracelet's pretty. Those little turtles. That's cute. I think it's turtles. Maybe it's pandas. I'm not sure. Anyway, those purses aren't bad. Okay, I haven't seen anyone wear these headbands, but they do seem to sell a bit of them. Someone is hungry. I'm here Saturday, 20 de November market again. You can see there's bread in there. That's kind of your first walk in and there's bread. That's how most of these big markets. Look at that little cutie. Oh, that was cute. So many of these cute little babies being hauled around in these slings on their mother's backs. Lots of little babies. I'm looking here. See these posts, these black and white? These are all over town. I'm not really sure what they are. I've got different information about them. But I think it's pictures of old-time vendors. Oh, actually, this is the one where I bought the lipstick. Okay, it was here. Let's see, what's this guy have? Spiders. Yeah, I don't want this. Socks. Okay, we've got one more block to go till we'll be at the Zocalo, which is this town center. And you know, another entrance to 20 de November market. And the good part here, let me see if I can show you what they're selling. The fruit. This is more shirts, no gracias. They sell smoothies, but this street is pedestrian only. They got it blocked off with these gates, so you don't have to deal with cars. Okay, I got to get across though, so I'm gonna probably go over here, and it's gonna be a minute. Well, we're waiting. I'll show you this. It's kind of hard to see, but Don Quixote. It was a one-man play. I actually went to it. A one-man play. It was really excellent. I just was really impressed with the guy that did that all by himself. Of course, it was in Spanish, so only understood about 10% of it, but it was very impressive. Okay, I guess we can go now. Let's go. Okay, this guy, yeah, I don't know, I already got one of these. He sells these little packs of sugar. I mean, not sells them, but, you know, tries to give them to people and you give them some money. I already did that. This is an ice cream shop, and I'll have more information about the ice cream later because it's not the kind that we're used to. Michoacan, but that's the name of that ice cream parlor. There's a couple dogs. So far all the dogs have been friendly, and there are quite a number of dogs just cruising around town. But I heard one bark once, but he was always like the happiest dog you'd ever seen. He was just running around wagging his tail. He was so happy. I'm not sure. Okay, this is a closed store, but you know what the good thing is? It's air conditioned. I actually went in here yesterday because I was so hot. I just had to get in there and cool off. So I took advantage of it and went and cooled off. Actually, when I was here 9 years ago, I did buy some clothes there. There's some more mezcal. She's the one that she was giving out samples. I should have went a little slower. I could have got a sample of mezcal. In Oaxaca. Okay, this place is called Tito's. I'll show you that because I eat here quite often. They make sandwiches. They're a good price. But the best part is they have these chips that they make fresh. Sliced potatoes and make them fresh. I get those a lot too. Someone might make a sale. All right, I'm gonna go out in the street. No, this is some bracelets. Here's some more perros. More perros. Another one. This is a church here. Let's take a quick look at this. Just take kind of a look here. Lots of churches. I mean, so many right next to each other. There's some more shirts. Here's this. No gracias. Bookmarks are so pretty. I want all the shirts too. I bought one last time I was here, and I only need one, so I'm not buying any more, but I sure want to. And now we are at the Zocalo. We've got a little curb here with a wheelchair sign, so Oaxaca is becoming more wheelchair friendly. And they just actually put a ramp in right over there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a new ramp. And here we're back at the Zocalo, so we got a little guy making balloons here. And I hope you enjoyed your tour.